Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be showing you an all-natural makeup tutorial. So first, I'm starting off with my setting spray. Because I have darker eyebrows, I do just use a dark pencil just to get it right. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just gonna conceal my eyebrows. I take my foundation and I place it on top of my eyebrows, just so my concealer won't leave that lightest color on top. I always try to match my eyebrows to make them look like twins, but sometimes it don't work for me. They always want to be cousins, so we're just gonna work with this. I take my Fit Me foundation and I actually mix it up with the L'Oreal foundation. Dab it on my face. Once I'm done blending my foundation, I just go in with my concealer and I just conceal the areas where I mainly need it. I then take my banana powder and I place it on my eyelids just to bake it. Since it is a natural look, I'm not using no type of shadows. And then I go in just to bake the rest of my face. Remember to make sure you always really blend. So this is supposed to be like a natural look. So I don't know if these lashes are more like too much to be natural look. So I'm gonna try a different pair and then we see which one I like better for this look. I don't want to do too much, you know. Well, that one's like really light. See the difference? This one's white. So I did end up doing the natural eyelashes. I just added a little bit of mascara to make it pop more because I couldn't see it at first. But yeah, I think I like these ones way better. now I'm gonna go in my blush. I'm gonna use this one right here. Let's take this darker one plus the light. I love blush. I used to not really like it that much, but I fell in love just because I don't do like contour at all. So I feel like the blush really makes my face kind of pop, you know? Especially if you want like a real quick look. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna put some right here and this side. I'm just gonna take my highlight, it's the one I use. So now I'm going to clean my lips, all this makeup off, and then I'll tell you what else I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. Anyways, thank you for watching, dolls. I'm done with my finished look. I did just add some chapstick and I just put gloss on top. And that's it. Just like that. If it take too long, so if you're in a little rush, you can always do that. There you go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And be ready for more videos because I do have a lot for you.